Yeah, so my name is Clifton Cole. I'm with the PENTA Building Group. We're based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Our journey with Autodesk Construction Cloud, we were originally a PlanGrid users, and we made the transition with them to Autodesk Build now. Right now, we're currently deployed Autodesk Build across the entire company. We work on several projects that are IPD or design build. That is real value in those applications and those type of project delivery methods. So we help implement those across those projects. So we work closely with not just our internal PENTA employees, but also with our design partners and our owners as well. It's great to be on site now at AU. So many tremendous people, so many tremendous classes. The expo hall is amazing. It's great to connect with new people, connect with existing people. So I'm really excited to finish off, and we have the party later, so that'll be exciting as well.